Hey guys, it's Kyle at GreatVacs. We get a lot of emails asking, how do I get my tools to stay on my vacuum? So in today's video, we're going to show you exactly how to do that. Alright, before we get started, I'm going to go over the difference between the two different type of tools we have here. On the older style, for the D4 and SC, they're going to be this friction fit. And then for the newer style, it's going to be these button locks. But for right now, I'm just going to go over the old style since that's what we get the most questions about. So in the old style, like I said, it's friction fit. And what a lot of people are doing, it's mostly user error. They're not putting it on all the way and twisting it to get that friction fit we were talking about. So once you push down twist, and you should be able to try to fling it off, and it's not going anywhere. And the same thing applies for the tool wands. For the straight one, use the same thing, friction fit, twist and push on. But however, for the curved one, this will only work with the floor tool. For the floor tool, there's these two notches within the actual floor tool itself. And on the tool wand, there's these two nubs. So what you have to do is line them up and you'll feel it go on smoothly. And as you do that, make sure you twist it. And that lets it be able to swivel as you vacuum, and it's not going to be coming off. So that's for the older style, and like I said, that'll work for D4 to SE. And now let's go over the newer style. When you purchase any rainbow vacuum cleaner from GreatVacs, you're going to get the newer style button lock, wands, and attachments. So let's do upholstery tool. Like I said, you got button lock, so simply push it on, push down the button lock, and keep pushing the tool until you hear it click, like that. That's going to be the most secure fit. It's not going to be going anywhere. It's a lot easier to take off, a lot easier to put on. A lot easier to take off like that. And then same method applies for the curved tool wand. It's the same thing with the floor tool. You got those two notches in the floor tool and the two nubs on the tool wand. So you just want to put it on and twist. It's going to give it a secure fitment. It's not going to be going anywhere. It lets it swivel as you vacuum your floor. It lets it adjust to whatever you're doing. And then for the straight wand, same thing, button lock, secure fitment. You can also attach it to your tool wand like this, give you some extra range of motion for whatever you're cleaning. And that's pretty much it. And like I said, when you buy any rainbow vacuum tool or any rainbow vacuum cleaner from GreatVacs, you're going to get all the button lock tools and attachments to just let you apply and put them on a lot easier for whatever vacuuming needs you might have. Alright guys, that's going to be it for this video. I hope it was helpful and you'll be able to fix any issues with your tools at home. Or if you're interested in buying anything shown in this video, links for purchase will be in the description below. Or if you have any other questions or concerns, you know what to do. Send us an email at service@greatvacs.com because we care about our customers. And thanks for watching. Did you know rainbow vacuum cleaners are some of the best vacuum cleaners on the market because they use water and HEPA filtration? Here at GreatVacs, we service thousands of rainbows vacuum cleaners. So if you have any questions or concerns, send us an email at service@greatvacs.com. If you'd like to stay up to date with all our videos, click that bell button and subscribe, and don't forget to like. As always, thanks for watching.